Hello and welcome to Crispy Kitchen. So today we're going to see how to make this tasty and flavorful South Indian dish, salna. I have tried many recipes to get the authentic taste of salna, but was never satisfied with the results. That was when I met one of my friends from Madurai who shared this authentic recipe with me, and to my surprise it was a perfect salna I ever had. And I wanted to share this recipe with all of you, and here it is. Heat a kadai and add about 3 teaspoons of sesame oil. Try to use sesame oil to get the authentic taste. Now we'll add the whole spices. We have here stone flower or kalpasi, star anise, 1 cardamom, cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, 1.5 teaspoons of fennel seeds. Now we will add it into the oil and saute it until it releases a nice aroma. Next we will add 7 to 8 chopped shallots, 1 green chilli, 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic crushed. Add it into the oil, add everything. We will saute it until the onions turn translucent. Next we will add about 1 teaspoon of khaskhas, that is poppy seeds. We will sprinkle some water to avoid burning. Then we will add about 3/4 cups of coconut. And start sauteing it. You don't have to make it brown, just saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes on low medium flame. It slightly changes color, you can just turn it off. And now we will grind this to a paste. We will add some more ingredients to it. Add 3 to 4 cashew nuts. If you don't have cashew nuts, you can skip it. Add about 1 whole spoon of roasted gram. We call it pottukadla. Grind it to a very fine paste. In a kadai, we'll add about 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 cinnamon sticks. I have 1 big onion chopped roughly and 1 big ripe tomato chopped roughly. We'll add the onion into the oil and we will saute it until it turns translucent. And we'll add some salt to fasten the cooking process. So now we will add the tomatoes. We'll cook until the tomatoes get completely mashed. It's done. So now we will start adding the masalas. We'll add some water to avoid the masalas getting burnt. I'm adding half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1.5 teaspoon of chicken masala powder. You can use any chicken masala powder. Here I am using Eastern chicken masala. Saute it well. Let the masalas get cooked. Next we will add 7 to 8 pudina leaves and some cilantro, that is coriander leaves. If you don't have pudina, it doesn't matter. You can just add the cilantro. That's about 1/4 cup of cilantro. Now we will add the ground coconut paste. It should be a very fine paste. Only then we will get a perfect salna. So now we will mix it well and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Combine it well. Should become a nice smooth paste like consistency. We'll add some salt and 2 cups of water. Just mix it well and we will let it boil for about 10 minutes or until the oil starts floating on the top. Now I'll show you. See, the oil has started floating. This shows it is perfectly done. So what we do next is we will just garnish it with some coriander leaves. Now our perfect delicious plain salna is ready to eat. It tastes heavenly with parathas, chapatis or even just plain bread. You should definitely try this recipe. You just cannot afford to miss it. So cook, share, enjoy.